Hi everyone, welcome back to Money Bites with Lois. In today's video, I'll be talking about one of the most common topics in personal finance, and that is passive income. You've probably heard the saying, make money while you sleep, but have you had time to think about it? If not, stick around because I will share 7 passive income ideas that are proven to work in real life. First on the list is dividend paying stocks. These are shares of company that reward you with regular payouts just for buying their stocks. The beauty is you don't have to sell anything to make money. With companies like Dangote Cement, Coca-Cola, investors get consistent dividend checks. The key is starting early and reinvesting back the dividends for compound growth. Next on the list is rental properties. Real estate has always been a very powerful wealth builder. You build a property, rent it out and collect monthly or yearly rent depending on your preference. Don't also forget that it takes upfront money and management, but if done the right way, it can provide steady cash flow for years. Plus, property values often rise over time. Now, if owning properties feel too overwhelming, consider real estate investment trusts or REITs for short. Think of them as mutual funds for real estate. Invest in a REIT and they pay you dividend for rental income across multiple properties. This is one of the easiest ways to earn from real estate without being a landlord. Another idea is digital products. Through ebooks, templates, printables, or even online courses, you can earn positive income by creating them once and selling them forever. Platforms like Gumroad, Seller makes it very easy to sell your digital products. The initial work might be very stressful, but after that, sales keep coming every day without you lifting a finger. Another passive income idea is affiliate marketing. This is where you recommend products or services and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. In affiliate marketing, you don't need your own products. You just need an audience, whether it is through YouTube, TikTok, or a blog. Affiliate marketing can be a steady source of passive income. Another option is peer-to-peer lending. This is where you lend money to individuals or small businesses through platforms, and in return, you collect interest payments. Don't forget, this has higher risk than stocks or REITs, but with higher risk often comes higher rewards. And finally, content creation. Yes, YouTube itself can become a passive income once your video starts ranking. You just make a video once, but it can earn ad revenue, sponsorship, or affiliate income for years. This takes consistency at the start, but long term, it can be one of the most rewarding streams. So there you have it, 7 passive income ideas that actually work. Remember, passive income doesn't mean zero effort. Most of these ideas require you to put upfront work, time, or money, but once you set them up, they can generate income for years to come. So tell me, which of these ideas do you want to try first? Drop your answer in the comment section. I would love to know. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more money tips, and turn on notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.